I have a 2-year-old smartphone which outrages all the flagship phones in this current 2021 trends. It doesn't outrage somewhat, it just competes with that phone, all the flagship phones. So let me just talk about that mobile in this video. So I'm going to share my personal experience. I was using that phone for a couple of months, approximately 1 year. So let me just start. I talk about that one. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah Tech. So in this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorial, some tips and videos, also unboxing videos, all kind of techy stuff on some kind of app reviews, internet issues, all that internet broadbands around all over India. So if you're new here, smash that red button down to subscribe button. So if you also subscribe to the channel, you can like, comment, share to your friends, community. So everything is much appreciable by me. So let's start this video without wasting further of time. So the smartphone that I was talking earlier in this video is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this is Samsung S10 Plus, which came on 2019, and this phone just competes with all the phones out there in camera comparison, in processor and all that kind of thing, but it lags in some kind of thing that I'm going to talk about at a later part of this video. So, and also my main funny part is that I'm now recording on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, which is the camera, that's the device I'm using now for recording. So that mobile doesn't have some kind of cool camera photography thing which this phone has. So I was just astonished and upgrading my S10 Plus to the S20 Plus. So I'm going to talk each and everything. So let's start the video without wasting further of time. So let me just boot this one up. So I have switched off this one. So just hold on, take some couple of seconds or minutes to boot this one. So this mobile has 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, and you can expand this. There's a memory card slot. You can put a hybrid SIM, you can put it and expand to 512GB with a memory card, which is not present in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Which I was very much astonished by that thing. I don't want my S10 Plus to upgrade to S21, so nothing much. The first thing I want to talk about this phone is the display quality. The display is really super and amazing, which has a 4K display. I mean, the resolution is like that. Also has amazing pixel, and each and every detail on this phone, on the display thing, is super amazing. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus doesn't have that. It doesn't have this kind of display. They reduce the display to some kind of medium phones, which usually the Redmi phones all the kind of have. So I'm not sure about that one. And basically, before starting this video, I mean talking this one, I haven't used iPhones, I haven't used OnePlus devices. So apart from that, I'm going to compare it in this video. So iPhones I haven't used due to I'm an Android guy, so I don't need iOS, that thing. And regarding the OnePlus devices, I don't feel some kind of good on using that, because in my personal experience, I don't like the way. It's really amazing, it's super amazing, but I don't like it. So that's my personal experience. You may have a different thing, so everything is up to you. So this mobile really breaks all the phones on the display quality. Even I also recorded my previous videos on this device only. If you haven't watched my previous videos, everything I shot on this S10 Plus. And the second part, the very important thing, is the camera. This phone camera is really awesome, which is better than the S20 Plus. Yeah. It is up to you, but in my comparison, I have been using this S10 Plus for approximately nearly 11 to 12 months, this mobile. The picture quality, everything is amazing. I have got my S10 Plus recently only, so I am testing some pictures and photos. It doesn't come out well comparing to the S10 Plus, so I feel a kind of bit worried on upgrading my S10 Plus to S20 Plus, so I need my S10 Plus back. And the really downside on this mobile is the third point, which is the battery life. Regarding the battery life, this phone really sucks, but you can ask, it performs really well. It has an amazing display. Without these, if the battery is good, what is the purpose of having a flagship mobile? In this 2021 trends, if you want, yeah, that's not a big deal, because battery, I don't feel it. I have been using this mobile for a couple of months, so battery is an issue, but I don't feel it because its processor, everything is perfect, super and perfect, amazing. And a next downside on this mobile that I faced is it doesn't have 5G support. As it's a 2019 model, this mobile, regarding the 5G and 4G thing, yeah, 5G is not up to the level on that time, but 5G is not there in this mobile. You cannot access 5G in this mobile, so that's the really down thing that I faced. And now also I upgraded my S20 Plus, which doesn't have 5G, so that's not a big deal for me. I have Wi-Fi. It's some kind of good, yeah, not bad, that's it. And the fifth point is this mobile has a dual speaker which competes with all the mobiles. Even my S20 Plus, it more or less behaves same to my S20 Plus, because this mobile has an amazing and super amazing speakers, which yeah, my home is around 1200 square feet. I don't know how you will calculate that. So that's my home length. So if I keep in any corner of my home this mobile, and if it rings, someone calls me, I can clearly hear them. And if I'm talking to some of my friends, contact them, I don't need to place my earpiece near my ear. I just have to place it till here, it's enough, because the sound which comes from the earpiece, it's super amazing. yeah, if you feel only, you can get that thing, because I can't say it now. So that's another very good thing on this mobile. Next, coming to the sixth point is, this is the last Samsung S series flagship mobile that has an audio jack, and it has that sensor thing. So this is the last mobile which has a headphone jack, which is pretty much useful in all occasions, everything, every place where you go, very useful, handy. And the heart sensor, which is not quite accurate when comparing to the oximeters and checkup, but it does a job for its purpose, so that's not a big deal. But I feel very sad in upgrading my S10 Plus to the S20 Plus currently recording. It doesn't have an audio input, audio jack, so I have to just insert the USB Type-C thing socket and then use the headset. So I don't feel good in using that. I'd rather use my Samsung Buds instead, Buds Plus. So that's not a big deal. Okay, we can manage it. Next, coming to the seventh point is, yeah, this is a very important point, we can say like that. The design on this mobile is super amazing. Yeah, you can see some kind of scratches on the edges because there's a tempered glass. Yeah, I haven't put this phone down, yeah, once or two, but very low, so that's not big deal. So a small light of crack would, but it's not a crack. Yeah, I will not say it fell down like that thing. But this design, a very slim and design on this phone, cannot compete with Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, S20, S20 Ultra, everything, and Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 and S20 Plus. Because what I'm saying is that the edge panel on this device is still there, and if you hold it in the hand, you can still feel the edge thing on this device. So on the looks, on everything, compared to S20 Plus and S10 Plus, all my family members in my home, they just recommend me, what, you're upgrading to a newer phone and it doesn't look well, it's not good. Yeah, why you upgrade? It's fine, it's super amazing looks, everything, that under this color, navy blue color, everything is perfect, super amazing. So they said me not to upgrade. So the design is it's amazing, super amazing. You can't get this design in S20 Plus, also in S20 Ultra, I mean the S21 Plus, the S21 model. But there's some kind of thing, camera setup, but that's good. But it's a plastic body. Note it down, it's a plastic body. The outside is not glass. I don't know whether it's plastic or not, some kind of polycarbonate, maybe like that, but it's definitely not a glass body. S20 Plus and S10 Plus are glass. So the look and finish, everything will be perfect, super perfect on this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the final verdict on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, whether you can get it or not, I would recommend you to get it, because it's just 50 to 60,000 rupees. Yeah, all the flagships are the same rate, but you can get it even in second hand like that thing. It works perfectly fine, not a big deal. And it has some flaws like battery and some kind of thing. And also I forgot to mention is that it doesn't have 120 Hz panel display. Yeah, that's yeah, for gamers it might be there, but for gaming, this phone really it's good, but the battery is draining. So gamers can insert the charger thing and put the headset, and you can play if it's charging. But if it bursts, I'm not going to say, but I'm going to say that. But gaming is perfect. I have played games and it's super amazing. So the final thing that I'm going to say again and again in this video is that you can definitely get 100% for sure, damn sure, this S10 Plus mobile, as it has an amazing display. Super amazing display. It has an amazing design. It has an amazing camera, which is outstanding. It outrages the S20 Plus. It's my personal thing. Yeah, in short, I will do a comparison video on S10 Plus and S20 Plus. So stay tuned, subscribing down, and follow me on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see everything Qurrah Tech. So that's not a big deal. You can just click follow and you can stay in touch with me. So You have seen many videos, so this is not kind of video I'm going to review. I'm just saying that in 2021, the ending, or 2022, with the Note series and everything, the S series mobile, the S10 Plus, it's an amazing mobile you can get. So I would not say you to upgrade S10 Plus. So the S20 Plus, which I'm using now, which I made like a big mistake. Yeah, like a mistake, not a mistake, because I need to upgrade. I need to be current trend. So I bought that mobile. So I don't have any flaws in that. You may think that I have some flaws in that, so that only I upgraded that. No, that's not a thing. I just upgraded just in case to be in current trend, so I upgraded it. But I don't have any intention in leaving that phone behind. I needed it any cause. S21 Plus, till now I haven't think on that due to display, no memory card slot, no Samsung Pay, and all kind of thing. So adaptive screen refresh rate. So I'm not going to buy S20 Plus or S21 Plus until this phone gets dead. So that's all about this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If not, you comment below that I didn't do such things. So stay tuned. This is Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. See you next video. Bye bye.